Trying to capture the flood. It just rained a ton in the backyard. Come on, Carly. Showing this thing and how it works when it rains hard. Let's see how this is needed. There's Jonathan on the trampoline. Wave to the camera. You can see the water's about 1.5 foot deep. That's the water from the sump pump coming out there. All my trash that my wife loves. Soccer field is a little bit soggy. There's gotta be a rainbow out here somewhere with all this sun out now. The sun literally just came out. Carly, come on, play in the water. Check it out. Come on. Come on, get in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. He's like, nope.